right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again? Engines are out and burning. What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more measured? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, it's all around in front, arcs overhead, today, move forward.